Birds Vocabulary, Part 2. This is an eagle. This is a partridge. This is a seagull. This is a magpie. This is a hummingbird. This is a swan. This is a penguin. This is a goose. This is a goldfinch. This is a kingfisher. This is a jay. This is a pelican. This is a canary. This is a toucan. This is a crane. This is a starling. This is a weaver bird. This is a stork. This is a wagtail. This is a tailor bird. This is a robin. This is a myna. This is a macaw. This is a kestrel.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't miss part 1 of this video.